So I have Dr. Sanjay Srivastava also with me. Could you use that mic, or would you like to follow it? Great. Okay.
Mr. GP sir to kindly honor Dr. Srivastava.
Thank you.
Okay, questions. And NBA और बाकियों में फर्क पता है क्या होता है? Just give me 1 minute. Okay. NBA is a very superficial animal. Okay. NBA में हमें सिखाया जाता है किसी भी टॉपिक पे थोड़ा सा बोल दोगे, ठीक है? इन डेप्थ कई बार हम लोग को नहीं मालूम है, कई बार नहीं, ज्यादा नहीं मालूम होता, ठीक है? We have sufficient knowledge and information to speak on everything, but most time we don't have in-depth knowledge, and that is where Dr. Sanjay Srivastava will be helpful, because he's from the academic world, okay? And there people look at going in depth rather than going in width. India is a width kind of a program, it's not very deep. The assumption is, jab growth hogi, you will be able to go deep in whichever area you want to. Okay? Yeah, so questions?
So what is the age criteria of banking exam?
Age criteria of banking exam is 27 years. General category?
At what age we can give? It's 21.
21.
So the student who is passing out his graduation at 19, what he or she will do?
19 पे
सर मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि जैसे कि आपने सर्विस सिलेक्शन बोर्ड की बात की, तो सर्विस सिलेक्शन बोर्ड्स ऐसे बहुत सारे रेप्यूटेड एग्जामिनेशंस है, सीडीएस एंड सिविल सर्विस एग्जामिनेशंस, जहाँ पे सर ऐसे स्टूडेंट सेलेक्ट होते हैं जिनके 10th एंड 12th में एवरेज मार्क्स आए होते हैं, एंड देन दे सेलेक्टेड एंड द टॉपर्स रैंकर्स वे रिजेक्टेड. तो सर इन इस सिचुएशन में अगर हम मैनेजमेंट की बात करें, क्या हमारे लिए मैनेजमेंट ऐसे कुछ ऑप्शंस हैं जैसे हमारे दिमाग में आईएम बैठा दिया है कि आईएम ही सब कुछ है, अदरवाइज कुछ नहीं है? क्योंकि सर बहुत सारे ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशंस है कि
बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो. देखो, IIM is one of the options, but लोगों ने दिमाग में बिठा लिया कि IIM ही है, ठीक है? Even within MBA institutes, academics is informed that we have also mainly the IIM. For example, XLRI, you don't need a very good score in terms of graduation. Similarly, SMS के लिए जरूरत नहीं है. तो बहुत सारे इंस्टीट्यूट है जिसमें आपको जरूरत नहीं है उसकी. दूसरी चीज, when we are talking about other exams, again it's a question of what you want to do in those areas. तो जाना है कि नहीं है? ऑप्शन तो है, वो तुमको डिसाइड करना जाना है कि नहीं जाना.
सर आई हैव appeared in SSB, so I knew very
Select हो गया? कोई बात नहीं, अभी हो जाएगा. Don't worry, मैं भी 2 बार रिजेक्ट हुआ था, एंड 2 बार रिजेक्ट होने में कुछ फायदा ही हुआ मेरा. दूसरी बार भी ले लिया होता तो पता नहीं मेरा क्या होता. ठीक है, ठीक है. But yes, those of you are interested, CDS is still there. A very good career is defense services, which many people ignore. The only area, the only profession जहाँ पे they lay equal emphasis on work and personal life and sports. So anyone who's interested in things other than work, CBS is a very, very good option.
What is the
graduation for CBS? Graduation. अपर लिमिट है. तुम अगर मैं यहाँ पे अपर बता दो, तुम्हें लोअर चाहिए थी. तुम्हें 21 to 24 age, by and large.
Yes, sir. I would like to elaborate the question of.
Okay.
Sir, I would like to elaborate that question of 10-12%. Does that have any kind of influence on the placement pattern, on the placement strategies?
Graduation marks, do they matter in the placement?
10-12%.
No. As far as your placement is concerned, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता उसमें.
So one more question. Sir, if someone
एक मिनट, सीधी की बात सुन लेते हैं पहले.
अच्छा, I just thought at this time it's good to intervene. Yeah, we have a very eminent person, Dr. Sanjay Srivastava, and his credentials include being on the board of UPSC and so on and so forth as a psychologist. Okay, so about 29 years in the space of HR, and now he heads a university. He's a vice chancellor too, and he has worked with who's who in the space of HR. Okay, so I was just thinking, as GP was asking, many questions are coming his way. I felt that perhaps if we hold our horses for half an hour when he speaks, at the end of it, perhaps a lot of things will get addressed, and together we'll take the questions. So, is that fine with you? Okay. Pleasure having you, Dr. Sanjay Srivastava, and I'm looking forward to exciting them for life. Thank you.
Audible or no? Is mic or without mic?
I think.
Good afternoon, everyone. Louder, yeah, please, come on. That is the way.
I just share. In fact, you may not be aware that the whole
Central Delhi is jammed because of jats are there everywhere. So he had to park the car beyond India Gate and came walking. That's the reason why he got late, because his car could not penetrate the Central Delhi. So he came walking. That's how he was late. So he has come with a lot of energy, and he expects that you carry so much of energy. Yeah.
टेंशन मत लेना कि बाहर कैसे जाएंगे. हमने जाट लोगों को बोला यार 5 बजे तक रहो ताकि लोग अंदर बैठे.
I am a big time follower of Lord, and he says, perform the duty and join upon you. Action is more important than actionlessness. Even this body cannot be kept alive without action. Karmanyavadikaraste. We have only control over the performance of duty, not over the. And the question what my esteemed friend GP has raised to you, that have I given my 100% while performing a show? If answer is yes, and you are not selected, smile. But do not ever doubt your own self-concept. Positive picture of self is extremely important in life. Don't ever doubt that. In your happiness lies the happiness of your parents. Remember this forever. And nothing is more important in their lives than your own happiness. I hope my first point has reached to you. My second point, 2:15 is the time given to me. And then I am very keen to answer your questions. About the issue Jaye to Jaye Kaha, GP Saab has covered a huge territory and answered all possible things which one can think of. In my 2+ decades as a teacher of management, my boys and girls whom I have taught, now they are the first few batches, well placed CEOs and CFOs of many companies across the globe. And on resource front, I'm a very, very rich man. You name a company, you will find my student there. And what I have heard from them, what I have taught to them, I shall be summarizing it to you all. First and foremost, friends, somebody was talking about the brand, and a question which I am giving back to you, not looking for the answer. Brand is what we create or what we communicate. And the next point to you all, companies always hire individuals, not the institutions. Sorry, to GP and Srini. Companies always hire individuals, not the institutions. And when they are looking at you in the institution, they are looking at you as a complete package and whether you will deliver for me or not. And those who are sitting on the other side, they see and they check their gut. If you are of their type, they hire you. So my next message to you, we cannot go back and change the bad past. We cannot go back and change the, but we can start now and ensure a very, very happy ending of the story. Give a round of applause to yourself. Come on. A bigger round of applause. रोने धोने से मुकद्दर सवरने से रहा। रोने तो कोई फायदा नहीं है। People only give a good laugh at you. What GP has said, I have seen, when you are not taking up a job and you have not assessed yourself well, you are sitting full time at home and preparing for something about which you are not sure, think twice before you take that call. It is better to take a job and pressurize yourself, put extra effort after office hours and give your best show. Being a student of human behavior, there is an inverted U relationship between performance and anxiety. Certain amount of anxiety is very, very, very important for an optimal performance. We have taken CAT, XAT, MAT, and whatnot, GRE. You know, inverted U, and on one axis performance, on another axis anxiety, and this optimum, if you draw, certain amount of anxiety is very important. There are three types of anxiety, and the most difficult of all, or difficult of all the three, which I am naming to you. Let me name all the three, but first two I will not talk. You do on your own. First one is known as real anxiety, which is very healthy. Second one is unreal anxiety. And third one is anticipated anxiety. And anticipated anxiety is a silent killer. If you are preoccupied with the result, that what will happen, what this neighbor will ask, what this friend will ask, you are going to mess up your performance. Because in the whole process, we are doubting ourselves. Last time I failed, I could not do well. What will happen this time? And as it is said, we are not well programmed for anticipated anxiety as well as for unpredictability and ambiguity. The moment we are addressing unpredictability and ambiguity, suddenly we are not in well control of ourselves. We require a mental makeup. And as a student of human behavior, I will give you a complete Gayatri Mantra how to control this. Do you want that? Yes, sir. Louder, yeah. Yes, fantastic. The key is what? Human behavior. And when we talk about behavior, three things we need to know. A principle, simple principle called ASK. A-S-K. They are also arranged in a similar manner. K stands for knowledge, skills, no ability, attitude. काफी एग्जाम कोई ना कोई तो राइट होएगा ही. So knowledge, skills and attitude. And when we talk about all these three, take my word, knowledge is always tertiary. How you convert that knowledge into the requisite skill set, that matters most. And with that skill set, whether you are positive in your approach, positive attitude makes the difference. And whatever success stories you name, I am not debating that from where they got their studies, but all of them have phenomenal positivity in them, positive self-image. They were far more self-respecting to themselves if you do not respect yourself, you can never respect others. And the positive outlook. Do not doubt yourself. And my next message and request to you, if you do not know where to go, it doesn't matter where you go. What did I say? If you do not know where to go, it doesn't matter where you go. And I should be very clear based on my capability that where I can go and what I cannot, where I cannot go. I hope we are very clear on this. And the behavior component, then I come back to you, jaye to jaye kahan. I sat on the other side of the table in many good places, and as Srini has said, that I have interacted with many HR professionals. Many of us, we do not give respect to HR because for them HR stands for Hamesha Rulana. And HR has redefined itself Hamesha Rulana to Hasate Raho. Because gone are the days when we used to follow punitive measures in the organization. Now we follow more developmental issues in the organization. And every organization across the globe, they work with the perspective how to make their employees happy, and happy employees are productive employees. So whether I am meant for IIMs, the big ABC, or I am meant for the newcomers, or GRE and engineer in me, or a banker in me, or CDS in me, whatever. But do not doubt yourself. Have bigger self-confidence in you, and every day you must say to yourself, I can do it. And I published a paper. I am a fundamentally human behavior researcher, and that paper which I am talking to you in terms of its application. I studied some of the top class companies and their CEOs. What makes a person ordinary to extraordinary? English is what? Extraordinary. But can we talk in terms of extra? What is that? Two routes. Whatever MBA you take up, two routes are very important. One is intrinsic and another is extrinsic. This intrinsic road within you will make you a top class professional. And extrinsic one is known to all the people around you. And I am using certain mnemonics to communicate my point so that this you remember forever. And you should be thankful to Career Launchers forever. So first I am talking about what? Intrinsic. The first L, I am talking about the attributes of all the successful people, and I will also check with you, is it difficult to implement? First L stands for learning. Whatever you have done in the past, today, tomorrow, find some time, sit with yourself and talk to yourself about your own learning. Because experience is a bad teacher. It gives its test first and result year after. Okay? So quickly take up the stock of your learning. There is a very popular English word called jaye to jaye kahan. If you ask me, it's a English word है retrospection. सुना है आपने? उसकी हिंदी बताओ और चॉकलेट लो. हिंदी में सेल्फ इंट्रोस्पेक्शन. आत्ममंथन. ओ भैया अभी बहुत सारा मंथन चल रहा है बाहर. आत्मविश्लेषण इस आत्म अवलोकन है. वो जाए तो जाए था, हिंदी का कैप्शन है हमारा वाला. हम इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे हैं. Time is premium Answer is, I am sure why I have said chocolate, because teachers are very mindful. Complicate. Answer is Singhavalokan. Clap here, clap for me. Singhavalokan means what? Singh means शेर, अवलोकन means देखना. शेर कुछ समय अपनी जब जंगल में चलता है, जंगल का राजा, कुछ दूर चलने के बाद वापस मुड़ के देखता है कि उसके कदमों के निशान इंटैक्ट हैं कि नहीं. अगर इंटैक्ट है तो वो आगे चलता है, और इंटैक्ट नहीं है तो वापस जाता है कि किसने उसके निशान मिटाए. The question is, I need to take up a stock of my life and be a good learner. Make as many mistakes as you can, but never repeat the same mistake. Our very important message to you all in Jai to Jai Kaha: never repeat the same mistake. And do as many mistakes as you can. I hope we are together. So first, all great people, what they do, first L they have is what? Intrinsic. Within their heart, they take up the stock of their learning. Okay? Maybe daily, maybe weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, whatever time frame you decide, but you must have a time frame of your own own issues related to learning. Second L, is it difficult to implement? आज एक साल तक का पूरा लेखा जोखा निकाल दो, आज और कल परसों बैठ के अपने आप एक बार निकाल दो कि कहां अच्छा हुआ, कहां बुरा हुआ, क्या हो सकता है, क्या नहीं हो सकता. Second L is very, very important. This L stands, if you imbibe this, you will ensure that complete happiness of your parents. This L stands for love. Stands for what? Love. Many of you have heard about laughter therapy. Many yoga teachers, they are also talking about laughter. ठीक है? योग में भी आजकल हो गया है laughter. Whenever chips are down and you don't know what to do, laugh. Laughter is the natural fuel God has given to all of us. And all great people, you will find a smile as a window on their face, and they are full of life and laughter. You will never find any great person with constipated look. And those who have, run away. My second L to you, why I say so, what is the philosophy behind it, and with positive self-concept, what is that? Because in everyone's life, you will find a set of people. In everyone's life, you will find a set of people. Their full-time job is to make you sad, to make you mad, and to treat you bad. Basic purpose is what? To take away your happiness. Purpose क्या है? Don't allow anybody to take away your happiness. जाए तो जाए, कहां कहीं भी जाए, but laughter is extremely important. If any difficult person you see and giving you complete bullshit, smile, quietly smile, and first opportunity, go somewhere, laugh profusely. My request to you, do not give this power to anybody in life to take away your happiness. Where you study, in wherever you study and whatever you do, all great persons, they are the complete master of their happiness. However, 3 persons are permitted to take away your happiness. only 25% each. No fourth person. 3. The first one, our own roots, our own parents. 3 verticals of life. Our own parents are entitled to take away our happiness. How much? Second one, you do not understand, so you will not comprehend. But for example purposes, you can listen to me. The second one is your own spouse. The honey of life is 25% of his or her side looks very funny and very messy. Difficult to say. It is more abstract for you. You will not understand, but you will remember this. Third vertical, again, more conceptual in nature. Your own children, they are entitled to take away 25%, but only one at a time. Okay? That is why if you look at all the chief ministers and prime ministers, they have permanently locked their 2 doors. Only 25%. Not a bad option. Think it over. If you want to become dreaming of chief ministership or with bigger responsibility, think it over. Second is what? Love. और जब भी पढ़ते पढ़ते थक जाओ लगे कि अब क्या करूं? Get up, go to a corner and laugh profusely. If you do not have anything to laugh, look at your face, how funny you are. I hope you all have seen 4 Idiots. Fourth one is last. जब हंस लोगे दिल ठंडा हो जाएगा, लर्निंग फास्टर होगी. ठीक है? Constipated बुक से कोई फायदा नहीं. Third L, it stands for looking. 2 persons looked out from the same window. One saw the mud, another saw the stars. It is purely our choice in life what we wish to see. And see only positive things. If you see or look for positive things. So take up your complete stock and know what I can do, what I cannot do, and leverage on what you can do. Okay? Fourth L, it stands for lasting impression. What is that? Wherever you work, imprint in the mind of others. जिंदगी में हमारी आपकी मुलाकात पता नहीं हो या ना हो. अगर आप में से कोई मानव रचना पढ़ने आना चाहते हो जरूर वो भी पढ़ाऊंगा मैं. ठीक है? पर बहुत अहम सवाल है कि जीवन में परमात्मा आपको जो भी मौका दे, ensure a permanent, confident, conscious, lasting impression from your side. अगर किसी को एक गिलास पानी भी देना हो तो इतनी शिद्दत से, इतने प्यार से, इतने रेस्पेक्ट से दो आप, क्योंकि यार बहुत बढ़िया आपने बड़े सम्मान से पानी पिलाया. चाय भी पिलाना हो तो बहुत बढ़िया चाय पिलाने के बाद मरो इसी हर समय चाय पानी दूसरा गिलास लाओ. यूजुअली एक अगर आप किसी को टेस्ट करना हो ना, पहला गिलास पानी को ग्लास ऑफ वाटर और उसको बोलो प्लीज 75% the way we walk. जितना हंसोगे उतनी ज्यादा समझ आएगी. Fourth L, lasting impression, and the fifth L stands for love. This love is not what you understand. You are already graduate, I believe. Yes, no. and those who enjoyed, good luck, and those who have not, sheer stupidity. Sheer stupidity, but right now this is the time to be laserly focused for career. If coming few years you are working well with a focused approach, you are going to have many more love. Otherwise, you will be lone fighter in love. My request, this love is not the love what I am looking. This love is what GP has said, I am recreating as a teacher, passion. You should be passionate about what you do. Whatever career, the MBA person in you, the HR professional in you, marketer in you, finance in you, CA, CS, CWA in you, or CDS in you, whatever in you, be passionate. And history belongs to all passionate people. Nothing else. I have talked to you, if you want to make a next orbit jump in your life from today's CL program, 5L I have talked to you. First L is stand for louder. Second L, third L for good people. Fourth and fifth one, watch a movie called Serendipity. Yes? Serendipity. ठीक है? इंग्लिश की पिक्चर है. हंसने की बात नहीं, बातें ही. And the movie ends with a note that Greeks don't write obituary, they only ask one question, whether this person lived with passion in life or not. Whatever you do, you talk about Srini and GP and few more founder members when they started CL. Talk about Ritesh, we talked about Ritesh. Talk about any person, yaar. One very important LCM you will find. LCM, understand? Okay? Passion. Last L. 5 moments. No, sir. Now, intrinsic, I talk to you. Extrinsic, again, I am coming to you with 4 L's. And this extrinsic, that makes a difference at workplace. Why some people, they reach to the top ladder in the organization? The first 5L which I talk to you is more on personal front. And again, the last 4 I talk to you is more on professional front. The first one stands for leverage. L-E-V-E-R means what? Get connected. All important persons, your school friends, college friends, whosoever they are, get connected with them. And if you are connected, you are going to enjoy the fruits of this connectivity in times to come, which you do not understand right now. But my request to you, get connected. We have FB, WhatsApp, so many technology available with us. It is meant for what? Leverage. The second L talks about likability. What? Likability, like we have seen certain people, when they come home, you run to kitchen to get a water and you are busy in preparing tea or coffee, but you do not sit there. Yes? And some people, you gossip with them for the whole night, and after 8 hours of thorough gossip, your heart says, "Ye dil mangi." Concept is what? Likability. If certain people in life, whenever they come, they are so good, they take your happiness immediately. They give you 2 difficult questions. अच्छा अभी फिर कब फिर हुए? कितना 78 आया, 78 आया, 2% आई। अरे यूजलेस हो तुम यार, कहाँ कोचिंग कहाँ करी तुमने, कितना पैसा लिया? ओहो, फिर तुम तो ठीक हो, कोचिंग वाले कहीं में सोच लो। Certain people, they give oxygen to us, and some of people are so brilliant, they take all possible oxygen. They feel you strangulated, suffocated in life, and you don't know where to go and jump. Likability is a concept. If you give happiness, happiness comes back to you in arithmetic progression. And if you give difficulty, it will come back to you in geometric progression. In my next session at CL, I will teach you the harmonic one. Third L stands for listening. We will conduct a complete workshop on how to be a good non-listener. Listening is no more an art. Non-listening has become an art. Sitting in the front seat, sleeping with the open eye, nodding the head. Idiot, go ahead. Not listening, continue around. Suddenly, excuse me. Sir, will you repeat what did you say? We lie loudest when we lie to ourselves. If you are sitting here and you are not using what we are talking, you are fooling. Nirantar, unvarat, but okay. And lastly, lead. L-E-A-D-D. Be the boss of your life. And leadership is not a set of rules, but a way of life. You have come to the portals of CL. Wherever you go, whatever you wish to ask, we would be answering to you. But I, as a teacher, I feel that by talking to you on this, I have done my work for you. I pray to Lord to give you wisdom so that you can take a judicious call. You can decide what is meant for me, what is not meant for me. And bottom line, what I have said, in your happiness lies the happiness of your family and parents. Whenever chips are down and you don't know what to do, laugh and touch your parents' feet, hug them, take their blessings, because I personally feel blessings can move mountains. Before I say bye to you and take your questions, I want a very big round of applause for your parents. Thank you very much.
Now I'm sure एक झलक तो आपने पाया. Yeah. It's my honor to share with you that Professor Sanjay Srivastav has been honored by Lahti University of Finland, only the third person in the world to be honored. And the honor has been bestowed by the Prime Minister of Finland on him. Okay. Only the third person in the world to be honored by the pleasure meeting you on the
Only last Sunday, sir.
No, it's last Sunday.
Last Sunday in Mumbai.
Thank you very much. Now we will open the floor for questions. So you could ask questions and you could choose the person to answer, or either of them will choose who would answer.
Your question. See, I would answer to you like renewal is extremely important. Renewal is extremely important, and spiritual renewal gives you extra energy to have faith in you
and to relook the problem differently.
Yeah, any questions? Kindly raise your hand. Others, kindly wait for just 10 minutes, then we'll anyway give the break. Oh, this sir. Yeah.
Oh. So he's not an MBA. And he's got an award from Prime Minister of Finland. I hope the question is for Dr. Sanjay sir.
Yes.
So
Question
a
is?
specific question.
Sure.
If I work for 7 to 8 months in an organization and if I have my TAT after 6 months, so is it a good idea to leave my job after 7-8 months?
Okay, my advice always is not to leave your job. I strongly does not hamper your preparation. And right now you are talking about CAT 16, which is almost 10 months away. You have sufficient time to manage both of them. Closer to CAT, you may want to take a couple of weeks off. I'm sure you can work that out with your organization. But I don't think it is necessary to leave your job to prepare for any exam, including MBA. So that's my personal view. But you might come back and say, no, my work is such, I have to work 18 hours a day. Then it's less effective. But in general, I believe 98% of people can manage job as well as preparation simultaneously.
And have a work with that organization, give a full party, and then leave and go to the institution where you got selected. Not before that.
Yeah.
Dr. Sanjay Srivastava a little while ago talked about leave a lasting impression. You can leave two kinds of lasting impression. You have to choose which kind of lasting impression you want to leave. अगली बार देखने वाले जाएंगे शक्ल क्या I believe the second one is most important, and till the day you are there in your job, you have to do justice to that one.
Yeah, make sure that they are mad to have you back.
So why does Indian universities, MBA universities give good marks for a 2-3 year work ex and then the marks start to go down, whereas in the international phase, 4 or 5 years of work ex is considered as the best to do in MBA? What's the difference?
See, typically it is assumed that if you have worked for a few years, and not assumed, I think it is right also, that if you have worked for a few years, you will be able to take more out of the program. You will be able to understand the program much better. The theory which you study there, you will be able to relate it to your work experience. Now, which is why work experience typically gets some amount of weightage. Now, the question is, why 3 years and why 4 or 5 years? Okay? That's more of an organization or institute philosophy, that this is an optimum work experience. Okay? So by and large, if you look at it, there's not too much of a gap. The optimum work experience, as far as Indian institutes are concerned, they consider it to be 3 years. Most of the top schools outside India, they say you need to have a minimum 2-year work experience, and usually that translates to something like 3 to 4 years. So the gap is negligible, and I don't think it's too much to be really worried about.
On the lighter side, 3 years of Indian work experience is far more than 5 years of work ex abroad.
Actually, in fact, if you just add to it, in US and other places, people start working even before they graduate. And after they graduate also, since they don't have the right qualification, they don't get the right quality of work also. So maybe that could be the reason. I don't know whether that's reality or not.
Yes, I have talked to many universities abroad, like Helsinki University, Helsinki Lahti. I go every year and teach a course on cross-culture management and doing business in India. Like at least all the students, they know 3 foreign languages. At least, apart from their mother tongue and English. They don't count English as their now. And all of them are absolutely obsessed about work and punctuality. Like in Western countries, you go and open your own classroom. All the students are standing outside. Then they go in because very costly equipments are there. So all of them, they consciously go in and they take care of complete cleanness of the surrounding. And you'll find a very different attitude of all the students. And all of them are working. They come to your class and they adjust their work and they go work extra because of the class. So total attitude is very different.
Yeah. Next question.
Sir, my question is, my friend Piyush Jagwani has secured in CAT 2015 99.23 percentile, but he did not get a call from some of the good colleges which he had applied. And now he's deciding to go for like a banking SSC CGL, and also is doing a job in Pune. But my question is, if I decided to pursue for CAT 2016, which is away 10 months away, if I get a good percentile, but the same means जैसे पीयूष जगवानी के साथ हुआ, उसके साथ
तो बिल्कुल हो सकता है, डिपेंड करता है आपने बचपन में क्या पास किए थे। एंड आजकल जो है हिंदुस्तान में एमबीए इंस्टीट्यूट में 3 या 4 लाख से पास होते हैं। एक तो आपका जेंडर होता है, ठीक है, गर्ल्स हैव एन एडवांटेज, द एंड ऑफ अदर sin is इंजीनियरिंग, ठीक है, थर्ड sin is जनरल कैटेगरी, फोर्थ sin is 10th 12th या ग्रेजुएशन में कभी भूल से 80% के नीचे आ गए, या तुमने गलत कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी चुन लिया जो नंबर नहीं देता, ठीक है। द पॉइंट इज these are like क्रिकेट मैच खेलने जाते हो, बारिश हो गई तो क्या करो, कुछ नहीं कर सकते ना, ठीक है। these are beyond you. You need to be clear, yes, this is my limitation, and hence some institutes may not be available to me. So Piyush needed a 99.5 or 99.6. Okay, and my suggestion to people like Piyush should be 99.23 is very good. You have been a little unfortunate. Why don't you continue with your work? Take GMAT and go for a 1-year program in ISB, or look at taking that again next year. Because if you have made a mistake in your 10th, 12th of graduation, there's nothing which can be done about it now. As Dr. Srivastava said, पीछे का दो नहीं है, आगे का देखो कहाँ पे रास्ता निकलता है, वहाँ जाना होगा.
So my next question is, if I decided to get a call from like different colleges, which I am not dreaming, but if I take that admission in that college, and after 1 year, and I'm side by side preparing for SSC CGL, and my 1 year मेरा वाला हो चुका है 1 साल, और मैं SSC CGL के मतलब टायर 2 तक वहाँ पे मतलब इस तरह पहुँच गया. So should I decided to pursue MBA second year again, या मतलब इनकम टैक्स इंस्पेक्टर की कोर्स के लिए जाना चाहिए?
इनकम टैक्स कोर्स प्लीज करते हो सर, ये आप बताइए, एकदम सही बोल रहे थे आप. एमबीए करने के बाद ही बन जाओ, एमबीए करने के बाद सर, ये आंसर मुद्दा समझ गए ना. अपने आप को जानो दो, ठीक है, और गिव योर बेस्ट शॉट.
Yeah. Next, last two. Come.
So I'm going to complete my graduation in May. So after my graduation, should I go for job, or should I do any other foreign language course? Which would be the better option?
Okay.
I'm side by side preparing for CAT 16, and this would be my first technique.
Okay. First thing, purely from an India perspective, चाहे आप जॉब करो चाहे फॉरेन लैंग्वेज लो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप खाली बैठोगे तो भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, ठीक है. Purely from an India perspective, between picking up a foreign language or picking up a job, will it give you a huge advantage? No, it will not. Okay, because you have only 5-6 months of work experience. What a job or work does is it prepares you much better for dealing with uncertainty. काम के अंदर अलग अलग प्रॉब्लम झेल के आप ये सीख जाते हो कि अनसर्टेनिटी को कैसे डील करना है. Second, when you go for the interviews, it prepares you for that also, because as a part of your work with me, you meet different people all the time, and you learn to deal with people, handle people also. Okay, so that's a huge advantage which you have. Job, those 6-7 months of work experience will be limited, but it will be helpful in this area, and to a small extent, it might be even helpful when you start doing your MBA. Now the question would be a foreign language or a job. I think the call has to be taken by you. Purely from an MBA perspective, will a foreign language give you extra marks or a job give you extra marks? Not too much of a difference. It is still bound to boil down to your performance in the test and your performance in the interview. Everything is something which will be additional to it.
Yeah, hi sir. Good afternoon. So my question is how to work on the negative performance anxiety. I mean, what we usually see is normally in case of mocks and all these tests we perform normally. But as and when the D-Day comes, our performance drops due to the anxiety which is associated.
Again, some tangible homework is very, very important in life. Like when we are going for any group discussion or any interviews, I must talk to myself how I am going to take off and how I am going to finish. And if I am rambling and I have not completed my homework, we are going to be in soup. So there is no shortcut to homework, for sure. And some kind of writing, rehearsal at this level will help you in a big way. And do not doubt yourself. When a question is asked, say first 30, the 1/3 question is started, we start thinking about the answer. Don't pressurize yourself. Otherwise, you get a very difficult shut-up call from the other side. Okay? And in the process, what happens? You lose your self-confidence. And certain interviews in the West also, or in some of the Indian institutions, it is designed with the purpose of stress. When you start something, shut up, what nonsense you are talking? And no, it's not right. And in the process, you lost. Sir, can I make my point? Permit me to make my point. But don't jump with the other person like a monkey. Okay? That matters most. Your mental makeup is the key in life. And do your homework.
Okay, just to add to what Dr. Srivastava said, the word I normally use is a temperament. आपका temperament क्या है उस टाइम पे can you handle those stupid situations or not? And how many of you know Chetan Chauhan? बहुत कम लोगों को मालूम है क्योंकि 2 जनरेशन पहले की बात है. Chetan Chauhan is the head of DDCA. He was a cricketer and he was the opening partner of Sunil Gavaskar. Between Chetan Chauhan and Sunil Gavaskar, we had the best Indian opening pair ever in cricket. Chetan Chauhan never made a test century. He always used to get out on 90s. It's the highest score possible, total score maximum uska hai without a test century. Okay? He has the dubious distinction. You know why? जब 90s में आता था, 4 century की सोच करता था शायद. So what he's saying, the focus on that particular thing. Focus on the process, not on the outcome. The moment you start thinking of the outcome, you start having all kind of negative or doubts or something, or you start celebrating. Premature celebration and rejection, both of them are incorrect. And that is why you need to be focused on, okay, this is the question, this is what I have to answer, this is the situation which I have to handle. We'll worry about the outcome later. Yeah, there was a question from there.
Now, to answer in a spiritual way, Lord said that you have only control over the performance of duty. And while performing your duty, you should not think about the output and outcome both. And in the process, what we add to more variables, Nirman Moha Jitsanga Dosha Adhyatma Nitya Vinirta Kama, Vande Vimukta Suddhut Sandesh Yachan Yamuna Padam Abhyasa. We start connecting too much and beyond a point, and in the process, we mess up everything. So, हमें चिंता रहती है कि इस पे लोग मेरे लिए क्या कहेंगे, फिर उसका क्या होगा, फिर इसके बारे में क्या सोच रहे होंगे, अरे यार forget about it. ठीक है, सिर्फ performance and performance, that matters most.
So on the basis of percentile, so FPM और management दोनों के selection procedure में किस तरह से difference आता है?
ये supply demand का issue है.
तो थोड़ा सा मैं research के लिए focus.
हाँ, नहीं देखो, ये supply demand का issue है. Cut off your percentile तो supply demand है. जितने ज़्यादा लोग apply करेंगे, उतनी percentile ऊपर चली जाएगी. But what you need to be clear about is, do you want to go for research and academics, and you want to go deeper into an area, then FPM is the right place. And I think this is something where Dr. Sanjay Srivastava will be better equipped to answer.
Again, one more talks about the length aspect of knowledge, breadth aspect of knowledge, and the difference is what I wish to handle more. Okay, like when you go to FPM program, the kind of breadth they offer and the variety they offer is very, very different. Whether I am meant for that or not. Like some of us are a bit scared and somehow they manage quant. But in those programs, the breadth is so deep down that you may lose and palpitation goes up. And nothing is more important than your own happiness, and you must know yourself.
Last question. Yeah. Thank you so much. Sir, I would like to ask you that what should be the best and the exact purpose to pursue an MBA? Sorry, कहानी
मैं अपना बता सकता है, मैंने फ्यूचर तुम क्यों करोगे, मेरे को बिल्कुल नहीं मालूम है। मेरे पास तो एक ही रीजन था, मेरे को फाइनेंस को करना था, मेरे पास और कोई रीजन नहीं था यार। तुम जो करना चाहते हैं तुमको मालूम है ना।
शादी अच्छी हो सके,
आगे अच्छी हो सके।
नहीं, जो भी वजह हो, उस वजह का दृढ़ होना चाहिए, मतलब पैशन होना चाहिए। अगर पैशन है झाड़ू के लिए बोले, you know, because I have friends or I mentor somebody who runs a company of just cleaning. I'm making sense? आप जाते हैं होटल मॉल में जाते हैं तो वर्दी पहन के ब्रांड होता है, वो जनाब चलाते हैं वो ब्रांड। तो बोले भाई, आई एम सो ऑब्सेस्ड विद क्लीनिंग, आई वांट टू रन अ कंपनी ऑफ क्लीनिंग। समझे? इसलिए वो एमबी किया, झाड़ू पोछा लगाना। लेकिन वो इतना, I mean, the company is a 70 crore company, झाड़ू पोछा लगाता है। Army of 2,500 people who do nothing but cleaning offices, malls, and so on and so forth. So there is nothing small or nothing big. You have got to be passionate about what you want. And if you're passionate, you will find why the reasons.
रास्ते में एमबीए मिल गया तो ठीक है, नहीं मिला तो कोई जरूरत नहीं।
हाँ, झाड़ू पोछा तो लग ही जाए।
So both of us are standing outside in case you have any other questions. Okay, because we have already delayed the previous section, the next section, sorry. So we'll close here, Shini.
Yeah. Just before we go to the session, I just want to say, one of my colleagues is an ex-banker. Yeah, we all think about MBA is the only way to corporate. So he is an ex-banker, worked with a public sector company, public sector bank. He's a probationary officer. Then the private sector bank grabbed him because private sectors don't get people. The best of the people in this country are mostly trained in public sector. Okay? So private sector forces that. I went on to the ports and I went to private sector bank for 2 years. Now he heads a business in an organization. He doesn't have an MBA, but he has been a probationary officer at a bank.
But MBA करना अच्छा होता है।
So what I'm saying is, the next question is on this dimension. So it makes immense sense for you to be back here in 10 minutes. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and thank you very much, Dr. Sirasal. All the best. Thank you.